Did you know that 1 in 3 women over age 65 live alone? In fact, nearly 28% of US adults age 65 and older live by themselves, and that number keeps growing. One of the issues that has come up and continues to be a concern is safety. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a free product that if you are living alone, you want to stay for this because not only is it free, it is going to help keep you safe. It is called Snug. And I'm excited about this because I review a lot of products in this category and I've never seen anything that is this free, this easy to use, and in my opinion, solve a specific problem that a lot of older adults that are living alone have been complaining about. So let's talk about why people are living alone and why a growing number of older adults are choosing to live alone. One of the reasons is freedom. A lot of people want to live and age in place. They've probably paid off their mortgage, the house is free and clear, and they want to just live in that house that they have built a life in and are comfortable in versus going into, somewhere else, where they may not have those conveniences. There are financial reasons, right? Because moving into, an adult home, older adult home, is going to cost you a lot of money versus living in place where you probably paid off your mortgage, or you get an apartment and you want to live there by yourself. That is still cheaper compared to that. Part of it is also community. If you're living alone, even though there's some loneliness that comes with that, people have built a life in a particular community and they want to stay there and stay connected to other people. But then there are real risks, and that's what I want to talk about because those don't get talked about enough, and a lot of people that are in those situations sometimes don't verbalize it. They feel embarrassed. They feel like they're a bother. They feel like they don't want to worry anybody or be dependent on anybody, but these issues are real, and I want to talk about them and then talk about this exciting product that I can't wait to share with you. So let's get into some of these issues. Mental health. A lot of older adults living alone report a higher rate of anxiety, 38%, and depression, 27%, compared to those that live with others. So that is a real risk. Loneliness, 33% of older adults report feeling lonely, often because they feel like there's nobody to talk to. They have an active career while they were working, and then all of a sudden they are retired, and then they are living alone, and then now they find themselves where they don't have that human interaction, which we all need in order to really, have a solid quality of life. And then we come to physical needs. 42% of seniors experiencing memory decline or physical fragility that need regular household, that makes regular household tasks very daunting, especially when you are solo and you're aging in place. So when it comes to safety, all the devices that you see, to help people that are living alone and living by themselves to really prevent anything bad from happening, those devices require you to be functioning enough to be able to press a button or activate a system to alert the authorities or alert your family or alert neighbors or alert the 911 that something is happening and you need help. But what if you are not awake or you are not, maybe asleep, or you are not conscious enough to activate that system? What happens? That is why I want to show you this product that I'm excited about. First of all, we are going to go to, I'm going to point you to the product website because that is very important. The website is snugsafe.com. And the product is Snug Safety. So Snug, SNUGSAFE.com. Snug Safe, that is the website. This is one of the most revolutionary products I have reviewed. And let me tell you, I've been doing this for 15 years. This is one of the most revolutionary products because it solves a specific problem that everything else on the market does not solve, which is all the other products require you to press a button, do something in order to call for help. What if you are not conscious enough to do that? What happens? How would people find out that there's something going on with you? And that is one of the areas that Snug excels. So basically, their whole thing is that on your own, but you are never alone. It is a free app, so you can download it on your current phone. They have a Google app or Apple, Apple Store app. So it works on your phone right now. And I interviewed the founder recently and challenged him to how fast can we get this thing going. And let me tell you, you can get this going in a few minutes and you're in. And that's how quickly it is from downloading the app to activating it. So how does it work? Well, I'm going to tell you the benefits first because number one, Snug, you don't need to buy any new equipment. You can just download the app on your phone. Number two, you don't need to change any batteries or think that the battery is working. As long as your phone is working, this thing is working. And then number three, the most important thing is that it's very easy to use. So how does this thing work that has had 20 million check-ins and has been featured in the AARP magazine, the New Yorker, Forbes, etc., etc.? It is the safety tool that has been responsible for 20 million check-ins. So what does check-in mean and how does this thing work? Well, Snug is a simple, reliable daily check-in app designed to give you peace of mind to people that live alone. Whether you want reassurance for yourself or your pets, to make sure that if something happens to you that people know that your pets are also home. But the most important thing is that we want to make sure that you are taken care of and your pets are also taken care of, and that your loved ones know that if you go without them hearing from you, something is wrong, and Snug is going to be the first to know about that because of how the system works. And so I'm going to walk you through exactly the steps to get it done. Number one, you download the free app, you add your emergency contacts to the app, and then you select your daily check-ins. Let me say that again. Snug Safety is so easy that all you have to do to keep yourself safe, have these daily check-ins to make sure that should something happen to you and you're not conscious enough to call the authorities or call your neighbor or call your family, that somebody will check on you, is to download the app, add your emergency contacts, and select your daily check-in times. And what do I mean by daily check-in time? It means that if you select, let's say, 7 a.m. in the morning, you are just going to go on the Snug app and then click a button, like just check in, tap it, and that's it. You tap the green button and you are confirming that you are okay. That sends the signal to Snug to make sure that, okay, you've checked in. So everybody knows that you're good. Now, the day that you don't check in, that is when people are alerted. People in your emergency contacts are alerted that something may be wrong. This person usually checks in every day. They didn't check in today, so somebody should go check up on them. And you'll be surprised how this happens often, where unfortunately things happen to people who live alone and nobody finds out until it's too late. And so this check-in habit helps you not only protect yourself, but alert people fast enough so that, number one, they can check up on you and make sure that you are okay. And so if you miss a check-in, Snug will alert your emergency contacts to make sure someone checks in on you. Guys, think about that. For somebody that lives alone, that is the reassurance that you need, because tomorrow is not promised and anything can happen. And I'm not talking about the worst thing, but things happen that, health-wise, or you fall, or you slip, or you took the wrong medication, or you missed your medication by, you forgot. Something happens and then you are in a situation where you are not conscious enough. And it doesn't have to mean that something bad always happens, but the fact that you are not in consciousness enough to be able to function, somebody should know, right? And this is what this app does. So for people living alone, Snug is a free app that checks in every day to confirm you're okay. The app is easy, it's affordable because I said it is free to download. And then there is a paid version if you want to take things to the next level, where you want to be able to have certain additional steps taken. Maybe you want, specific medical things called for you when something happens, or you want an expanded list of people notified, that also allows you to be able to do that. But the free app will get you started so that you can play around and see what this tool is and why I'm so excited about it, because I think that once you test it, you are going to be glued to it, that every day you're not going to miss your check-in, because you know that checking in means that you are reassuring yourself about the decision that you have made, whether voluntarily or involuntarily, to live alone, and that you know that you have an invincible community around you that can help you. So whether you live far away from each other or you find it challenging to check in on a regular basis with each other, especially your family or your other caregivers, this is a daily touch point that is constant and will help you stay connected to the people that you want to know or you want to be informed when something happens to you. So guys, I'm not going to belabor this. I told you I'm excited about this. I believe in this product. I have had the founder and the person that really, whose story led to the creation of this app, I had them on my Retirement Navigator podcast. I'm going to put the link in the description so that you can go listen to the podcast and see how genuine these people are and how committed they are to this mission to keep people safe. It comes from a personal story. So this app is not something that somebody just like came up with and wanted to do. It came from a personal story. You hear from that person, and then you also hear from the founder of this product and how they are saving lives, literally, through this app. So I'll put a link in the comments and in the description. Download it, and it's a quick thing, quick steps, and you will begin to do your daily check-in on the Snug app. You will not regret it.